Hello, welcome. I'm Ronald the Power Work Builder, and today I'm going to do a Mike Lane video. I've been kind of collecting some Mike Lane things. First off, I got this little screwdriver stand with PH screwdrivers on it. So we got like the PH1, the PH0, PH00, and the PH000. I got those to try to do some power works. I see World of Wayne and Will's Workshop. I'm sorry, I had a mental block there. Using those, and I thought I'd give them a shot, because I've been using the standard, screwdrivers that Fan Home gives you. I also got a magnetizer. That for the for doing stuff. I did get a ratcheting screwdriver. And all this comes from Mike Lane, so you can go on Mike Lane's website and get it. Now I did get this, but all it is just a little screwdriver. So so if you order it, all you get is the screwdriver, and then you're left to try to find the actual bits for it. So there's a screwdriver, but then you got to find the bits for it. I was thinking that it would be really cool if Mike Lane has, bits for this or whatnot, to when someone goes to order one of these, maybe he suggests on the website, oh, why don't you add this to the order? And then, so that way when you get it, you got the bits for it. Just a little thought suggestion. I haven't really tried that out yet, but I think I sourced some bits for it, but I haven't really tried it out yet. Another really cool thing that he sells is the Skyline extension cable kit. I installed it on my GTR. Unfortunately, the electronics quit, so I gotta problem solve that. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use this for yet, but I bought that off of Mike Lane's website. If I decide to take the night car apart and try to solve the electrical issue on that one, I might use some of these extension cables for that. This also came from Mike Lane. It's the Ultimate Electronics Kit 4 kit. It's got the little night remote and everything. So it's supposed to be able to allow you to change it from kit to car. Change like the scanner from red to yellow. Go through a whole bunch of really cool modes. But like I said, unfortunately, my kit doesn't work anymore. Uh, it decided to brick itself when I put it together. So that leads me up to the next thing. I bought Mike Lane's Test Circuit Pro. You might, see this being used on the World of Wayne channel, Will's Workshop channel. So I'm not exactly sure what that is for just yet. I know the square block looks like that might be a way, the red thing, that might be a way to test the Skyline's LED wires, because they got that little flat push pin thing. So that might be like a Skyline thing. But this is brand new. I just unboxed it today, so haven't had a chance to play around with it just yet. I haven't even taken it out of the little bag yet either. I'm trying to be careful with the bag because I'm thinking when I'm not using it, I'm thinking about maybe just storing it in this in the bag, so when I'm not using it. Oh yeah, it's got little feet on it. That's kind of cool. So it won't go anywhere. But there's that. So you can test AA batteries, AAA batteries, your switch. You can test that. You can test motors, speaker, your LEDs, battery box. So all kinds of good things. So, and then it looks like, oh yeah, that's the plug for powering it. So I bought this to try to troubleshoot my Nissan GTR. Like I said, the wires quit working on it, so I wanted to figure out what happened to it. So I figured I buy this, and then that way I can test the plug connection. Make sure the plug connection's right on it, and see if the wires still work. So it looks like it comes with a USB adapter. Because it is a C to C cord, so you don't have to worry about, if you only have a USB port, you don't have to worry about, not being able to use it, because you can just plug it into the adapter. So that's a handy thing to keep. Uh, keep and then you always get a nice little package of gummy bears in every Mike Lane package. Plus, you also get this really nice thank you card in every package as well. So yeah, I thought I would thought I'd buy this and see if I can't figure out what happened to the Nissan there. So what I'm gonna try to do is bring the Nissan over here and just see, just try to maybe test this out, or something like that. But I was thinking before before I do that, I was thinking of maybe, do a little bit of knowledge reading on it. Before I, really dive into this, just so that way I don't do something wrong with it. Because it does say, JST Micro and JST, looks like ZH. They got like two different size plugs. I mean, it should be just plug and play according to the type of plug you have. But then you also, you got polarity switch on here. And then you have like the battery box, you have different voltages that you can set the battery box on. So, but that's all I got really for today. I just wanted to make a short, quick video on the Test Circuit Pro and just say, how much I love Mike Lane's products. Even though I've had issue with the electronics now on these two cars after I've installed Mike Lane's product. Now it's no fault to him. I just I have no idea what to say about that. Will's Workshop and Mike Lane developed this Skyline extension kit to extend the neon wires and all the other ones. And Will's Workshop did the first video on that kit, and it works flawlessly. I installed it, it was working, and now it's not. So I have no idea what I did or to make it quit. I don't even know what I did to even make the night car quit. As soon as I put it together, I went to test the electrics, none of it worked. But I know there's no pinched wires or anything because I was careful about that. That's the only one that works. And it does have a Mike Lane power mod on it, but it turns on and off without a problem. Plus, that one's also the one with the least amount of electronics in it too. So, anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to showcase some of Mike Lane's awesome products, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.